This is a Cobra Sissy bar for Harley Davidson touring models. You can find this Sissy bar at accessoryinternational.com. This is a Cobra quick release Sissy bar for Harley Davidson touring models from 2009 to 2024. Now what I love about this quick release Sissy bar is exactly that. It features a quick release mechanism, so you can easily pull out these pins and pull the luggage rack up and quickly remove it in a matter of seconds. If your passenger is joining you for a ride, again, you can easily install it onto the bike. Another great feature on this backrest is the fact that you do not need to relocate your stock turn signals. Those will stay where they are and it'll fit perfectly fine. On top of that, if you feel the need for additional storage space, you also have the ability to add a luggage rack, which is going to just bolt directly onto the back of the backrest and give you the additional storage space where you can put an extra bag on the back of your bike. Now, if for some reason you do not like the black finish that this is going to come with, you also have the ability to opt in for a chrome finish to match the style of your bike depending on what colors you got going on in your scheme. Now, aside from all that, if your passenger also feels the need to have more support on their back, they can opt in for a larger pad that's going to give you more support. It's a little bit taller and features bigger dimensions overall. Now, when you're browsing on our website for this Cobra Sissy bar, make sure that you're also looking into the correct mounting hardware that you're going to need for your specific Harley touring model. That's going to give you the anchoring points, which allows this quick release backrest to actually mount onto the bike. So you can see when we pull these tabs up, it slides up out of place and we'll be left with these two anchoring points, which is what this Sissy bar uses to actually mount on the motorcycle. Now, I will say in our experience using this over time, the actual removal of these front anchoring points does get easier. You still have to put some force into it, but the first few times you do this, there is going to be a break-in period to sort of loosen it up, and then it becomes easier over time. Thank you for tuning into our video today of the Cobra Sissy bar for Harley Davidson touring models. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this since 1998. We'd really appreciate if you gave us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel, as that supports us and allows us to continue putting on this free content to show you the latest and greatest products for your Harleys. Thanks again for tuning into our video. See you next time.